Hey, everyone. This is Greg Miller from Spinoffinvestingsimplified.com. Back at you with just another video on how to invest in spinoffs. This particular one, we're going to talk about one of the things that I talked about when I first explained why I'm interested in spinoffs. I'm interested in spinoffs because one of the ways that I can get information is free, and I can get just about all the information from a little website called the SEC.gov. This is the Securities and Exchange Commission for the United States, and this will have all the filings for spinoffs in the United States or companies that are registered in the United States. So you come to this website, SEC.gov, type it into your browser, and you come over here, you see this little thing that says Filings, EDGAR Search Tools. You click on that, EDGAR Search Tools. It'll bring us to our next screen. As we do that, these are the different search tools that you can use. EDGAR is this program that basically keeps track of all of the statements that have to be registered with the SEC year over year. The one we are looking for is this Boolean and advanced searching, including addresses. Go right here, and in this search string, you're going to type in form type 10-12B or form type 10-12BA. Click on that. And then if I wanted to adjust the years, I could do that in this spot right here. But right now I'm just looking at 2019. I click search. And then I get a list. And this is a list of the different companies here on April 30th, 2019. These are the companies that currently have 10-12Bs or spin-off filings that are registered with the SEC since the beginning of 2019. This first one up here, Athena Spinco. Let's just take a look at this. And we'll come up here and it'll have the filing detail. So this filing detail has a bunch of different things that all have to be registered with the SEC. So we scroll down here. The one that we are interested in is this little one that says Exhibit 99.1. We click on that. And there we go. That's Exhibit 99.1. So this has the information for Athena Spinco's spinoff. Looks like it's coming from CPLP. So that's a big oil shipping company. Athena looks like it's part of that. And you can just look in here and it automatically starts telling you, hey, this is what's going to happen. These are how many shares we might have. Sometimes there will be blanks in here, information that's not there, but that's for another video. I appreciate any of your comments. If you have any questions, reach out to me on this video or send me an email, gregory.miller@spinoffinvestingsimplified.com. Hey, thanks a bunch, guys.